y'all, we're back again. It's the Shalom Meadows, people. I did the one to start on the outside, putting the siding on. Don't know what I'm doing, by far. So, no, y'all can drop in the comments and stuff and say, hey, you ain't no good. But I already know that. But maybe you can help out a little bit. So, welcome back to Shalom Meadows. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, not subscribe. Click that notification bell.
Look like with the siding on. I mean, I believe it.
I think you just did that incorrectly. I think that was supposed to go up top.
No.
That's supposed to go in the corner.
Oh.
It looks to me, y'all, that my wife was missing her brain vitamins or something. Because she told me it looks like the skirting for the house, not the skirting, but whatever you want to call it, is what she wanted me to put on the corners. When this is actually the corner piece. But hey, hopefully y'all not dropping down in the comments going, hey, you idiots. Well, that's fine with me. Guess what?
It was me.
If you comment bad, guess what? That's still helping the channel. Love you. Hey, but yeah. Now I'm gonna have to take that off. So I think that might be another day. So yeah.
We'll see you tomorrow.
We'll see you the next day.
By a little bit. Count the holes. 1, 2, 3. Hold on, don't move. 1, 2. I'm starting with the first full hole. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
12.
I got 11. Count it one more time. They're going in.
It's almost popped out. I got a little further in, so it won't be a hole, but I can, or it'll be like that. Here, stay now.
I asked you not to. Check a little bit above.
See if it's 49 also. Awesome.
It is.
Oh my gosh, it is.
It is. For the next 3.
Come to find out, y'all, the leaks on the roof still ain't fixed.
The windows are pretty much fixed. It's just the
that we know of.
Yeah. But hopefully the putting on the siding will fix that.
But we'd have to get a new roof. Eventually. Did y'all see the nail dance? That nail was dancing, it flew out.
Hold on. But yeah, we're going to spray it and put the pressure washer to it. It's not going to look like this forever.
Why are you not wearing glasses and eardrums? I mean, what? That's why I'm closing my eyes. Because of the stuff we got right here.
I know.
Oh,
It's okay.
We'll put something in. So somebody can stop me. I'm not on the whip.
You're good.
Yeah, he is.
Gosh.
It's like, no, it's not supposed to be there. Type of thing. Ah, get away.
Attack! Attack of the smallest bee.
This is wet bee. That thing hurt.
Yeah, I bet. I'd run too. Not off the ladder, but I'd run. I didn't go anywhere near your eye.
Remember that time I got stung in the forehead?
Yeah.
I thought I got punched in the eye or something.
So there's something to that. I'm gonna go get you another